What is this? Let's take a look. Keurig. This has to be my Keurig machine. I'm so glad that Trump supporters decided to destroy their Keurig makers. Take a look. See how this is. Wow. Wow. They gave me coffee. They gave me coffee. What's this? Oh, this is like a brand new. Oh, look at this. Look at this. They gave me both regular and that's beautiful. That's beautiful. Okay, gotta put it on pause. All right, let's take a look inside. This is a brand new product. Oh, look at that. This is a lot larger than they said it was a 1 cup. They said it was a 1 cup coffee maker. I have to pause again. Well, look at this. It's a 10 cup. It is a 10 cup Keurig machine. Amazing. Let's take a look at the coffee. If I can get it open. Whoops. Pause. All right. Let's take a look at this. From McDonald's, eh? Pretty cool. I've got 48 cups of coffee here. It's my understanding that this stuff is expensive, but that, what do we got here? But that the machine itself is a pretty penny. Look at that. I got coupons, quick start guide. Amazing. So it looks like I can choose how big of a batch I am brewing, all the way down to 6 ounces to 10 ounces. Oh, so I guess it is a single cup. It's just that it is showing your standard Starbucks sizes for coffee. Anyways, I'm extremely pleased with this. Beautiful. Which means I am going to have to replace my other coffee machine. Excuse me. This is filthy. It's my mom's ancient crux. I just got this for 25 bucks. It was hard to find, and I also had to get this copper lined, what do you call those things, coffee filter, except I can wash that one out and reuse it. Anyways, my coffee problems are over.